everyone, welcome to Subodh Math Classes. So today we'll discuss about the profit and loss. Profit and loss is a chapter which is related to the trade. Trade means व्यापार. कभी नुकसान होता है तो कभी प्रॉफिट भी होता है. So in this chapter, what are the major terms? Terms are CP, cost price. Cost price, in which price we purchase the things or goods. Then your SP. So पहले हमको खरीदना है, उसका बाद बेचना है. So the SP is the selling price. At which price we sell it. So here I have written for you CP, the purchase price, or we call it a what? Cost price. Then SP, the selling price. Then when profit and when loss. So मुनाफा SP greater than CP, profit SP greater than CP. So at what price we purchase the thing, if we sell it at higher price. Suppose you purchase a thing at rupees 10, sold it at rupees 15. 10 रुपया में खरीदा, 15 में बेचा, तो profit या loss? Profit. So similarly, if you have purchased the thing in less price and sold it at higher price, then profit. If you purchase the thing at a higher price and sold it at a less price, suppose you purchase the thing at rupees 100 and sold it at rupees 80, that lesser price you have sold it, that cases you are having loss, नुकसान होगा. 100 रुपए में चीज खरीदा, 80 में बेचा, तो नुकसान होगा ही होगा. So CP greater than SP, then loss. So profit, how will get profit? How profit is made? Profit is SP minus CP. I have already written it. Then loss is equal to CP minus SP. Then how much percentage of profit and how much percentage of loss? How can you find out? Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100%. Loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100%. Now the question arises, when profit percent is given or loss percent is given, CP is given, then how can you find out the SP? So here SP, see, profit percent or loss percent is given, then by using this formula we can find out the SP, the selling price. The selling price. SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. And if loss, then 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Here we can find out the SP if CP is given and profit percent or loss percent is given. If you have to find out CP, then what will do? CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SP. Yes. So similarly, CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into also SP. So here we can find out the CP if profit percent is given, 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SP. Now if loss is given, loss percent is given, then 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. We can find out the CP. So just remember this formula. Then we can proceed for the problems what comes in the competitive examination in SSC, CGL, CHSL, NDA. Every competitive examination, these questions are coming in profit and loss. So profit and loss is a major chapter of all competitive examination. So we must thorough about all the problems as well as all the formulas related to it. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं problems on profit and loss. So question is given, a man purchases 15 chocolates for rupees 10. 15 chocolates for rupees 10 and sells 10 chocolates for rupees 15. Find its loss or gain percent. So generally what we are doing? We are doing that CP of 15 chocolate is rupees 10, CP of 1 chocolate is this much, SP of 10 chocolate is this much, SP of 1 chocolate is this much, then finding the difference, then we are finding profit and loss. But here we will apply the direct formula. How? Now see, Q1 cost is C1. This is quantity, this is cost. Quantity, cost. Second, quantity, cost. Okay. Now, I will apply the formula. How to get profit percent or loss percent is equal to. How will get that here Q1 C2 minus Q2 C1 by Q2 C1 into 100 into 100. Here one thing is that plus sign indicates profit, minus sign, minus plus, minus sign indicates loss. Okay, so here in this case we have 15 chocolates, rupees 10, and here now 10 chocolates, rupees 15. So 15 into 15 minus 10 into 10 by 10 into 10 into 100. So 10, 10, 100, 100 is equal to 225 minus 100 is equal to 125. 125. Then this is plus or minus positive 125. So profit percent is equal to 125%. Okay, so profit is here 125%. तो आइए चलते हैं दूसरे क्वेश्चन की तरफ. So the question, 2 goats are sold each at rupees 4800. One of it is sold at profit of 20% and other is at a loss of 20%. Then find the gain percent or loss percent in the entire transactions. So if both are sold at the same price, in one profit percent, other loss percent, profit percent and loss percent are same, then keep it in mind, there is always loss, So loss, definitely loss. Yes, this type of question there will be loss. Then how to find out the percentage of loss? So here loss percent, very shortly, to P square by 100, where P is percentage of profit or loss. Okay, so now that is equal to your how much? 20 square by 100 is equal to 400 by 100 is equal to 4%. So 4% is the answer. So how shortcutly we have solved it? It has saved our time without going through the traditional method in the competitive examination. If we follow this process, it will save our time, it will build our confidence. तो आइए चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. So what is the question? Ramesh sold an article to Prakash at 20% profit. Prakash sold it to Pramod at 10% profit. If Pramod had paid rupees 19,800 for the article, find the cost price of the article. How? Applying shortcut trick we will solve it. So what is the formula? So formula we will write CP is equal to is equal to 100 into 100 into CP, 100 into SP by 100 plus M into 100 plus N. So sir, what M and what M and N? So M and N are percentage of profits respectively. Okay, so now see 100 into 100, so CP is equal to 100 into 100 into how much? 19800 by how much? 100 plus how much? That is 20%. 20 by 100 plus 10, that is equal to 100 into 100 into 19800 by 120 into 110. Now see 0 0 0 0 cancel. Now 11 here, 1 11 8 18. Now 6 2 6 3. Now 2 here, look at 50. So now 50 into 3 is equal to 15 0 0 0. So rupees 15,000 is the answer. So how shortcutly we have solved it? By using this trick formula, so which will help you to solve quickly in the competitive examination. तो आइए चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. So what is the question? Two cell phones are sold each at rupees 22,500. One of them is sold at a profit of 25% and other one is sold at a loss of 10%. One profit, other at loss. So find profit percent or loss percent in the entire transactions. So here what type of formula we will put? So here we will see that percentage of profit or percentage of loss. Percentage of profit or percentage of loss is equal to 100 P minus L minus 2 PL by 100 plus P plus 100 minus L. P and L, profit and loss percent. P profit percent, L loss percent. So here this formula I will put here 100. So 100 into 25 minus 10 minus 2 into 25 into 10 whole divided by 100 plus 25 plus 100 minus 10. So that is equal to here. How much? 100 into 15 minus 500 by 125 plus 90. Then that is coming 1000 by 215. 215. Now we'll cut it by 5. By 5 coming 43. By 5 you are coming 200. So that is equal to your 200 by 43. That is equal to 28 by 43%. So positive value, positive plus, hence so profit percent. So this is the shortcut trick how we are applying to solve this type of problems. I hope that you must have enjoyed it. तो आइए चलते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन की तरफ. A dishonest seller sold his goods at cost price, but he uses a faulty balance which weighs 950 gram for 1 kg. So find its loss or gain percent. So what we'll do? What we'll do here? We have to apply the shortcut formula that is your true weight minus the false weight whole divided by false weight whole into 100. Okay, so that is equal to your how much? 1 kilogram minus 950 gram by 950 gram into 100. Then what we are getting is equal to 50 by 950 into 100. So that is equal to your 0 0. This is your 1. This is your 19. So 100 by 19%. This is equal to 545 by 19%, or we can write in decimal 5.26%. So positive. Hence profit percent is equal to 5.26%. So this is the answer. If positive value will come, that will be gain. If negative value will come, that will be loss. तो आइए चलते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन की तरफ. A dishonest grocer sells sugar at 5% loss and uses a faulty balance to reduce the weight by 10%. So find its loss or gain percent. So how shortcutly we will solve it? So first of all you do the shortcut formula. 100 minus loss percent by 100 minus percentage reduction in weight into 100 minus 100. So this is within the box. Okay, so now we'll solve this one. What? 100 minus loss percent. So now see, 100 minus 5% loss by 100 minus percentage reduction in weight. How much percent? 10%. So 100 minus 10, okay, into 100 minus 100. So now we'll solve this one. That is equal to your how much? 95 by 90 into 100 minus 100. Okay, so now that is equal to your 9500 by 90 minus 100 is equal to your, simplifying I am, 9000 by 90. Okay, that is equal to 500 by 90, 00 cancel. So is equal to 50 by 9. So is equal to 5 by 9 is equal to 5.55% plus positive. So profit of how much percent? 5.55%. So the shopkeeper makes a profit of 5.55%. 0.55%. As 1 by 9 is 0.11. 1 by 9 is 0.11. So 5 by 9 0.55. Keep it in mind. तो आइए चलते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन की तरफ. राजू sold an article to Ramesh at 20% profit. Ramesh sold it to Rakesh at a profit of 10%. What is the net percentage of profit on the article? So here successive profits are there. 20%, then 10%. So here what shortcut formula will apply? So when successive percentage of profits are given, then net percentage of profit is equal to what? X plus y plus xy by 100%. So x and y are successive profits. So here we have first profit is 20%, then 10%. So that is equal to your 20 plus 10 plus 20 into 10 by 100. This much percent. Okay, that is equal to your how much? 0, 0, 0, 0. So 32%. So 32% is the net profit percent. So when two successive profit percents are there, then the net profit percent on the article is found by using the formula x plus y percent plus xy by 100. But if one profit is given, one loss is given, then how can we find out the net profit or net loss? Let us discuss about it in the next question. So now move on to the next question. What is the question given? A sold an article to B at a loss of 25% and B sold it to C at a profit of 20%. Then what is the net loss or gain percent on the article? So similarly, in the previous question was there, both are profit percent. Here one is profit percent, other is loss percent. So now we'll apply the formula when. So here x minus y minus xy by 100%. Here positive sign, then profit. If negative sign comes, then loss. We know plus means profit, minus means loss. So x and y. What is x? Here x percentage of profit, y percentage of loss. Okay, so apply the formula. Then x is here, x is equal to profit 20, y is equal to your 25. Yes, here x is 20, y is 25. Now apply the formula. 20 minus 25 minus 20 into 25 by 100%. Okay, that is equal to here minus 5 minus this is 0, 0, 5, 5. So minus 5 percentage is equal to minus 10%, minus negative value. So loss percent is equal to 10% on the article. On the article. So loss percent is 10%. As minus is coming, so there is loss. If loss will come, profit, minus will come, loss. So this is the formula where we will get one profit percent, another loss percent, and finally the net percentage of profit or net percentage of loss. So these types of questions are coming in competitive examinations. So these things you have to keep it in mind. Remember all the formulas to do well in the exam. Thanks for watching my videos till now. Kindly like my videos, share my videos as much as possible, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if till yet you have not subscribed it. Thank you.